What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. And when it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon in the summer, you know I'm going to be in the pool, unless we're really swamped with jobs. Before we get into today's video, which is where I, Mike Dyack, aka Mikey Pipes, saved the family from what I heard is another contractor trying to sodomize them right up to Keister. I need to talk about the gentleman who came to early for the 2 p.m. interview for my residential HVAC service technician position that I have available and posted on Indeed. It's always best to be a little bit early to a scheduled appointment, especially when it's an interview. And if you're going to be late, the professional and courteous thing to do is to let the person know that, hey, you know what? F you, I ain't coming, or I'm in traffic, whatever. Just, it's courteous to let the person that you're meeting with know that, hey, you know what? I'm not going to be there on time. Anyway, I wanted to talk about real quick, before I talk about the sodomy in the video you're about to watch, one of the parts of the interview process is reviewing your qualifications and experience. So I detail the requirements for the position that I'm looking to fill. And part of that is being able to, I would say simply, test components to make sure that they're functional in an HVAC system. So for example, you should be able to, at a minimum, know how to identify a capacitor. Let's say it's a single or dual, and what the size is. So if I hand you an item, I say, listen, you need to get this part, right, from the supply house or from your truck, and I'm going to tell you what it is. You need to be able to go get it, right? If you cannot identify a 45/5 dual capacitor and what it is, well, you're not qualified, and you don't have 2 years of experience that I require. So my 2 o'clock interviewee did not know how to properly identify a contactor, and he did not know what a contactor was. And he didn't know how to identify the 45/5 dual capacitor that I handed him. And I said, if you need to order this, what is it called? And I said, thank you for your time. I don't want to waste any more of your time, but you don't have the experience that we require, and that's what's listed. And I'm sorry, but have a good day. What would you do? All right, the video you're about to watch is pretty sad. We have an older couple that they live in a townhouse co-op condo development on the South Shore of Nassau County, on Long Island, in the great state of New York. They had another HVAC contractor that I'm not going to name out to their home last week and spent $900 with them and added some liquid and told them that they needed 2 new condensers and 2 valves. And they're going to order it, and they're going to have to pay upwards of, I don't even want to even mention the number because it cannot be true. I know the company that this homeowner had mentioned, and it just can't be true. So here's that video. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm Mike.
Hi,
You
Mike.
call for your air conditioning service?
Yes.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Honey.
Thank you.
You want to go in the garage first? Do you want to go upstairs?
Tell me what's wrong.
I was using they were here last Wednesday. He checked everything, and he said that I need 2 condensers and 2 valves.
Okay.
And he added some liquid thing to make 500 pounds in each or something like that.
Okay.
So the first day he left, a couple hours later, The second floor crashed, no air conditioning since last Wednesday.
Okay.
And then the control panel to set the air conditioners at 3 o'clock in the morning started screeching. So I took it off. I took the batteries out.
Thermostat, you mean?
It's thermostat. So
Okay.
I have air conditioning on the first floor here where my husband is.
Okay.
And nothing upstairs. This place has 3 floors.
This is one floor, or this is the ground floor? So it's 1, 2, 3, or?
Oh, no, 1, 2, 3,
Four,
4.
4,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4, right.
Okay. So what doesn't work right now?
The bedroom upstairs, the
Okay.
second floor.
So let's go see that.
All right.
After you. No elevator?
What?
No elevator? But I'd ask, you never know.
No elevator, trust me. My husband has fallen so many times.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And this is your mic, right?
Yes.
This is my husband, Fred.
I'm the
Hi,
guy
Fred.
Hi, I'm the guy that fell.
Okay. You need an elevator. So I guess this is the first floor. This is cooling,
This is
okay?
cooler. This is good. It's
Okay, so let's see what's broken.
Yeah.
Upstairs? How do we get up there?
Upstairs.
And when did this act up? Last week, you said?
Last Wednesday.
Last Wednesday. Okay. How old is the house development?
I'm here 7 years. This house is much older, but I wasn't told that.
Oh,
So I found out that all 3 toilets the guts had to be replaced because
gotcha.
they were ancient.
I love the Venetian plaster, by the way. It's very nice. Did it come with the house?
No, just that, just the downstairs.
Nice. Okay. So it's noticeably warmer up here.
Yes.
And you said this
I
started
took-
screeching.
Yes.
And what did you turn off? Did you turn off this, any power to the unit or anything, or what did you turn? Oh, you took the plate off.
That I have the batteries inside.
Okay.
So if you want to take a look.
Let me just take a look at this filter. Okay, wrong size though, but where are the batteries? Okay, I see the batteries. Thank you. And cool. And let's lower the temperature a few degrees. Fan is, let me see the front cover. Okay, where is the blower and where is the outdoor unit? Oh, maybe they disabled it because they didn't want to repair this. Let me put that in my pocket. I'm gonna guess they disabled it because they didn't want to repair this. Pan is dry. Looks like someone put a little extra on that and bent that in. Goodman. Gotta love it. Waterfront. Nope, wrong way. Well, one's frozen, one's not. I guess they didn't believe in putting back refrigerant caps. It's a shame. A little bit of ice there. Seems to be running fine, if you ask me. The one that's frozen, oh, that's actually for the first floor. This is for the second floor. I wonder what the neighbors got here. They got some pains too. I guess it's kind of a blessing that it's not cooling. For whatever reason. That's the first floor I had to turn back on. Because if it was cooling, you'd have a water damage coming from that ceiling, that broken pipe. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? Yeah, good luck getting to that. And then check this out. Onto the floor. So in case you're wondering, I am sourcing two 2-ton, ideally Goodman units. That way I don't have to adjust those bases over, and that would be ideal. And two Goodman cased evaporator coils. Now, according to my boy Asher at Ferguson and Lynbrook, he keeps calling these things flat evaporator coils. Like, listen, Asher, I don't know what it is, but here are the model numbers, here are the serial numbers. I need one of each, and I need two Goodman. I know I said Goodman, but they're a pain out there. But apparently the Goodmans are the same exact size. You have a Goodman furnace, Goodman evaporator coil. Just give them a Goodman condenser. Let it all match, don't you say? I still can't get over what the elderly woman told me, that this company, maybe she had to misheard. She had to have misheard the number, because there's no possible way that they quoted this couple this number. There's no way. There's no way. I try to maintain professionalism, and I will never badmouth another contractor, right? Because it's not the professional thing to do. But I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt, because it has to be. There's no way this number was told to this couple to replace two systems. Let's just say it's under 6 figures. And it didn't include the furnaces.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go.